What's up, everyone? Alright, today's lower ball joint day. Hooray! So we're going to be swapping out our old lower ball joints with some new OEM ones. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so here's our old one. Now these are the Moog lower ball joints, which were recalled. So we're getting rid of those. And these are Toyota OEM ball joints. Much better. So these ones I pull out. This one I pulled out first. Take a listen. I don't know if you can hear that, but it binds up when you move it through there. These have less than 6,000 miles on them, and they were greased the entire time. See the grease coming out of there. So yeah, Moog, no good. That's why they got recalled. Here's the Toyota one. Smooth sailing all the way back and forth. Sweet. So we'll get this one installed now. Okay, so the wheel and tire are off, truck's in the air, got our jack stands in place. We're going to pull the nut off. It's right down here. So we'll pull this cotter pin out, and then we'll pull the nut off. Okay, so this is a 24 millimeter. All right, so now we'll grab our ball joint puller and pull this off of here. Okay, well that comes out of there, so that'll pop right out. Okay, next you want to pull out your cotter pin and your castle nut off your steering rack, and that way we can get the other side of the ball joint out, or the other side of the lower ball joint assembly. Alright, so we've got our tie rod puller on. We're going to pull that off. Try not to damage that boot there. And give her a pull. Alright, got that free. Now we'll put that back in and pull these bolts out here. Alright, so we'll pull these 4 bolts out. Oops. Alright, so we're going to pull these 2 bolts and these 2 bolts, and then we'll be out of there. It's a 17 millimeter. Alright, so got all the bolts out. Now we'll just pull this thing off and swap in the new one. Just like that. Now we'll get our new bolts and Loctite them up. Alright, these bolts are 59 foot-pounds. Oop, there's one. Come on. Alright, now that we got those on, snug this guy up and get a new cotter pin in there. We got it. So we got the nut on there. We'll get our new castle or the new cotter pin in there. Okay, so we'll get this torqued down to 103 and we'll call it good. All right, so I got this all torqued down, get the cotter pin stuck in it, and we will be wrapped up. Okay, so there you have it. Now our lower ball joints are done. Now this is the second one we took out. Has that play, and it has those hard stopping points too. You can see that there. Anyway, so glad to get these out, especially since they were recalled. Just be done with those guys and back to OEM stuff. So yeah, anyway, if you like the video, make sure you comment and subscribe. It really helps us out, and we'll be bringing you some more cool stuff. All right, thanks guys.